Nagdadaya pa.
Mahina naman yan.
Ramon! Sabihin mo tumawag.
Come on. Hello, Direk.
Hele.
Sabihin mo na.
Yes! Yeah.
Hold our breath.
15, Direk. 15.
Yeah.
Malakas ba yung kwan mo?
Direk.
Mon, sandali. Pwede tawagan mo si Rose kasi yung mobile niya mas
malakas.
yung kwan.
Oo, mahina itong kanya eh.
All mega announcement si Direk.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Mega talaga.
Hindi mo na kailangan
announcement ni
paalam.
Direk.
Tumawag ka na lang.
Ano kaya yun ano?
Ano ba yan, Tere?
Ano ba
Pag yan
yun?
hindi ako nahimatay, patay ka.
Masyadong nga eh.
Ito na.
We're going to Broadway!
Ay, ano ba yan? Tagal?
5 o'clock.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Walang signal yata, bro. Ano ba yan?
Lakas-lakas ng signal yan eh.
PLDT ba?
Direct sa...
PLDT.
We're out of here at 5 o'clock. Baka wala na visit.
There.
Maribet.
Oo, naman sa akin.
Hi, Direk.
Yes.
Hello.
Go. Yes.
Yes.
Direk. No, Direk. Zen.
Who's that?
Knock knock.
I'm here, Direk.
Hello.
Okay, Coach here. Tell your name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Celia.
Richie.
Maribeth.
Mina. Welcome in. Rose.
Marco. Mark. Ado.
Noreen.
Bobby.
Angeli.
Jeremy. Arnel.
Coach.
Kung sasabihin na.
Yeah.
Ay.
Ready!
Ready.
Yeah!
Second, I would like to invite everyone and congratulate the team because it's our 11th year anniversary this coming September 8th.
Yes, Direk.
11 years. And probably the most important thing is this one. We promise you guys that it's a secret project, right?
Yes, Direk.
Yeah. Now, I have the approval to announce it today.
Alright.
Migrants was successful last year at Substage production. 2 months ago, I was approached by somebody if I want to make it into a bigger project. Hold a second, I'm gonna cry now. I didn't realize things are happening like this.
I've been crying. Don't worry.
And then, I said yes. So, my dear, I won't call you best friend, but I would call you friends. That you can officially announce to your Facebook, to all your family and friends, that Migrant as a stage play is now set 100% fully to become a motion picture.
Become a motion picture. Where's Mark? Where's your big sister?
It's going to be handled by one of the members of PTUK. She was the one who approached us, or me, I would say. Zen is, I don't know if you guys, she's actually studying film, and she finished her course, and it was Zen actually who approached me. I was approached years ago by different people, and I declined. Okay? But this time, she believed in my work. She believed in Migrant as a play that must be shown not only here. So our plan now is to make Migrants as a
Kyle was with me.
Before I finish my call, because I'm now taking call to the reception, first I'd like to say to Arnel and Bobby, 10 years guys, thank you for the friendship. Thank you for believing in me. The courts who, shall we say, discovered me last year, who pulled me out, you know, from the shell and say, Direct, I've been looking for you courts. Thank you very much. And to them who is not there, but most of all to you guys. At the moment, we are having the production for Heaven with Love. Next year, you'll be landed with work. So, I think later on, after this conversation, you can open a bottle of bubbly. And my request to you guys is to put it on Facebook, to your homepage, that TPU Content Migrant is now set in motion to become a film. And it's
What did I say? I didn't even know that quote. What did I say earlier? I believe in him. I told him that.
Really?
I believe in him. Remember when we talked?
any question?
Budget. Wow!
Organize our anniversary get together next week. And as I think Arnel is a
Konting pa consuelo.
Direct film na yan, budget.
Budget. Ang mga talent fee.
Direct, thank you very much.
Wow,
I love
thank you,
you.
Derek. Thank you. We love you. Thank you, Derek. Thank you. Right, now you're inside. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Derek. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye!